Today we're talking all about drill bits.
This video is sponsored by Ricer. Consistent quality always.
Hi everybody, this is the new Live With Wood woodworking store here in Chesterfield, and we're going to be doing a lot of product videos from here. We're going to be talking about lots of different products, things you might need, answering some of your questions that you might have about products. Now when you're doing woodworking DIY, you're going to come across a lot of different drill bits. I've got quite a few here that I'm just going to talk you through, and I want to start first with this one. This is what's called a HSS, which stands for high speed steel drill. Now what you'd use this drill bit for, you could drill things like metal, plastic and wood with this. It comes in various sizes. This is 7mm by it's 109mm length. So there you go, that's what they look like. So they've just got a normal point on. They don't have a tip on them like a masonry drill. It's just a normal point. They'll go right down to 2 or 3 mil, right up to really big ones. I've put a link down for all these products in the description below. So there's a link for that one. That's the HSS riser drill bit, which, as I say, would drill wood, plastic and metal. Now the next one I want to go on to is this one. Now this is very similar to a masonry bit, but this is a really special one that Riser make. Now this one is called a multi-purpose drill bit. It's multi-purpose because it looks very similar to a masonry bit with the tungsten tip on it. But the difference with these Riser multi-purpose drill bits is you can drill brick, metal or wood, whereas a normal masonry bit is intended just for masonry, and if you try using it on wood, it'll just burn its way through the wood. And if you drill metal, sometimes you can be successful, sometimes it'll just burn the tip out. But these multi-purpose drill bits from Riser, which, as I say, we sell here at the Live With Wood woodworking store, and I have put a link down below for these. They come in various sizes. This one's a 6mm by 150mm, so they'll come in different lengths and different diameters. So that's the Riser multi-purpose drill bit. From that, I'm going to go to this one, which is a masonry bit. Now this one's SDS, which SDS means it's got these slots at the top. So instead of having a normal chuck where the chuck just grips on it like that, an SDS one, you actually have a collar on the drill where you pull the collar back, you slide the drill bit in and it locates, and then you let the collar go and it holds the drill bit in place. And it normally SDS drills have like an hammer action on them, like an impact hammer, so it will drill harder brick walls and things like that. So this one is just for masonry. You wouldn't use this for wood, and you wouldn't really use it for metal. You'd use it just for masonry. This one, as all the drill bits, comes in different sizes, different lengths and different diameters. So that's the Riser SDS masonry bit. Okay, so from that one, I want to go into this one. Now this one is what's called a flat bit. Now these are for wood, only for wood really. So they come in, again, different sizes. So as you can see, this is a 32mm one. So what you've got here, you've got a central point, and then you've got some scoring points which are on the edge of the blade there, if you can see that. What they do is they stop breakout on the edge of your hole. So as you're drilling, these little scorers will score the wood as it drills, so it'll stop any breakout and spelching on the edge of your hole. So again, as I say, they come in various sizes. This is a 32mm just for wood, so that's the Riser flat bit. Again, links down in the description. I want to go to this next wood one. This is called a fast auger. So again, it's Riser, and it's a Riser fast auger. So you can see that. This one is a 25mm. Again, all different sizes available. Link down below in the description. This has got like a corkscrew tip, and that drives its way into the wood. Again, you've got the scoring tips on each blade, 4 blades, as they spin round, they score the wood, and then they dig the wood out and then eject the wood down the shaft of the drill bit. So hexagon drive on it on the top there, which stops it spinning out. Again, riser, very good quality. That's a 25mm. As I say, they're available in all sizes, only for wood. So that's the fast wood drill bit. Okay, from that I want to jump to this one. Now what this one is a tile and glass drill bit. So I don't know if you can see that, it's got like a tungsten tip on it. This one again available in different sizes, link down in the description. And again, it's riser, so it's really good quality, used for drilling ceramic tiles and glass. Now this final one is a diamond drill bit. So basically what you've got is a tip like that. There's no point on this, it's just coated with diamonds. This one will drill porcelain or ceramic tiles. Available in, I think we've got 3 different sizes in this. Link in the description. You'll be sick of me saying that, but link down in the description and you can have a look. This one's a 5mm, but as I say, available in other sizes as well, and that's used for drilling porcelain and ceramic tiles. So I hope that's helped you a little bit. If you need any advice about drill bits, you know where I am. Drop me a message, drop me a comment in the comments box, or give me a ring here at the Woodworking store, which is 01246 586 092. Or you can have a look at the website, which is www.livewithwood.com. As I say, links for all these are down in the description below, and I'll speak to you a lot soon.